In this guide, I'll show you how to disable two-factor authentication on your PlayStation Network account using a PS5. To begin, make sure you have your phone ready, as you'll need it to scan a QR code. First, go to Settings, then navigate to Users and Accounts. From there, open Account Settings and select Security. Once you're in the Security section, scroll down until you find Two-Step Verification. Select it, and a QR code will appear on your screen. Use your phone to scan this QR code, which will take you to your account security settings. Next, locate the two-step verification option and click on the Edit button next to it. You'll be asked to confirm whether you want to deactivate it. Simply select Deactivate, then confirm by choosing Yes. After that, you'll see a message confirming that two-step verification has been turned off. If you refresh the security settings on your PS5, you'll notice that it is now disabled. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.